Greetings and welcome to Jane Mackenzie's High Vibrational Living Lightly Kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to raise your vibration with the foods you eat, repair, restore and rejuvenate the DNA, boost the immune system, live joyfully, think clearly and live productively. So what we have here to begin with is we have honey from the garden, organic, with loads of enzymes and phytonutrients and minerals. We have some raw milk kefir, which with loads of probiotics, vitamin D, vitamin K. We have some organic sauerkraut made with organic cabbage with loads of probiotics. We have the Ormus Gold, our energy capacitor, which is going to charge the body. We have some microbiome reset with 80 to 120 live strains. It's fermented for the gut and the brain as well. We've got kombucha also with live probiotics. So a whole host of those. We've got organic cold pressed flaxseed oil ready to go into our smoothies. We've got a stress defense shield, brain fuel and extreme performance boost, all in a cacao base with over 13 nutrients, high vibrational nutrient dense foods. We're talking about blue-green algae, chlorella, spirulina, reishi, chaga, maitake, lion's mane, cordyceps. We're talking about adaptogenic herbs. There's about 7 of them in there. We've got also schizandra berry for the liver. We've got some things also for the odd parasite, and lots and lots and lots of phytonutrients and minerals. We've got, they are protein dense and also contain the long chain sugars for the brain. So they are really meal in one. And we're going to mix them with some of the blueberries and some of the hemp seeds just now. Now moving over to here, we're going to look at some of the seeds and grains and beans that we're soaking. And once they've soaked, we throw the water out, the phytic acid gets thrown out, it's neutralized, and we're going to boil it for 5 minutes, put it into this bag to cook. So for 5 minutes on the gas, and then in 3 to 4 hours we have a meal. So top right we have black sesame seeds, bottom right we have black beans, middle we have aduki. Beans, phenomenal for inflammation. We have some pearl barley, very good for the gut, organic. We have some black sesame seeds. We have some black rice. We have some black wild rice. We have some black poppy seeds. The reason about the black is that it builds Jing energy. It's so lacking and so important. Then we have some almonds, and we have some African beans, traditional African beans here, multicolored, beautiful, all soaking. And they will, as I said, go towards a meal. Some of them will be eaten raw as well. Then we have some sprouting mung beans, green lentils, and black lentils. And they will soak for a day, and then we'll make the sprouts. We've got some turmeric and ginger waiting to actually get planted. And we have our fruit bowl with pineapples, mangoes, nectarines, yellow peaches, avocado, grapefruit, red and green apples. So this is welcome to High Vibrational Living. And it's with my love that I present this to you, and I hope I've inspired you and to use your imagination to really take this to the next level, to raise your vibration. And the products you see are available on www.365healthybychoice.com. If you're wanting recipes and things, you can look on the website, and you can also contact me at info@365healthybychoice.com. I'm wishing you the best high vibrational day ever. Thank you.